Apple's foldable phone expected to be launched in 2026. Apple, Samsung, and other tech's biggest giants are racing to bring out more innovative upgrades in the tech market. However, this year has already been full of announcements about the integration of AI. Apple is making progress on its first foldable iPhone, which is expected to arrive in 2026. According to The Verge, it seems that the company has moved past the concept phase and is working with suppliers on a clamshell-style folding iPhone, similar in design to Samsung Galaxy's Z Flip. The rumor suggests that the Apple's foldable phone, codenamed V68, would fold in half horizontally. Apple is still finalizing the design, but the company wants to make the device thinner and flatten the crease that forms in the middle when the phone is unfolded. Moreover, following a similar report earlier this month, released with similar information about Apple's foldable phone plans, Apple is said to be working on a foldable folding device that will resemble a MacBook, but it likely won't ship until 2026. However, besides Apple's foldable phone, the tech giant is also equipping next year's iPhone with a mechanical aperture that would give it a depth of field effect, according to the rumors, wherein users can blur the background and retain focus on the subject. Other reports also indicate that a much thinner iPhone is underway for 2025.